Alright guys, my phone does not have much battery currently, so I've got to make it quick. Right now I made I finally did it. I finally have a gaming setup. Now, what did I spend on this? Nothing. Steps on how to build a gaming computer with little to no money. Number 1. Grab your old PC case that is preferably kind of like a mini tower, like mini ITX, or I don't really know the sizes all that well, but grab a computer that could store a 2-fan GPU. Second step, go and buy an SSD. It doesn't have to be big. It just has to be able to store the operating system. Step 3. Get deep storage. Big fat hard disk, 2 terabyte. Step 3. Make sure that the GPU doesn't suck too much power from the power supply. There we go. Step 4. Make sure or step whatever. You know what? I don't really know. Alright? Just make sure all the components inside the machine are able to handle a GPU. So, that's how to build a pretty good system. This is the 3rd gen of the Core series, I believe. It runs at 3 gigahertz. It's 3330. That's what model number this particular i5 is. Wish it was an i7. I was actually thinking about upgrading that to a newer series, but I'm not sure if that chip would be compatible. Probably would, but I don't know. I'm just learning as I'm going right here. Yeah. And I still have the nice little disc player right here. And basically that's all. Well, this is just a quick little guide on how to build a gaming PC with little to no money. Just get parts for as cheap as possible, or take an old tower like this, Dell Inspiron 660.